Hello everyone, welcome to Original Craft Oasis, where creativity flows. Welcome to today's tutorial on drawing natural scenery. In this video, we will explore the art of capturing the beauty of nature on paper. Begin by selecting your subject matter, whether it is a serene landscape, a lush forest, a majestic mountain range. Find inspiration in the world around you. Next, choose your drawing material wisely. Opt for pencil, pastels, or watercolors to convey the texture and color of nature with precision. As you start sketching, focus on capturing the essence of the scene. Pay attention to the play of light and shadow, the intricate details of foliage, and the organic shape of the rocks and terrain. Remember to vary your strokes to create depth and dimensions. Experiment with different techniques such as hatching, stripping, and blending to bring your drawing to life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Embrace imperfections